I came back with renewed energy. Tell them I'm back. Say you have boycotted the media house. When they extend the microphone to you to speak into it, when they do stories, you go and share it, but you have boycotted that. What, do you understand the meaning of boycott? Or cancellation means review, or review means cancellation? Are you still in that state?
A few moments later.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana and TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
First vice chairman, were very good chef. The near thing. Anyone know say one day operation when we be seen fees or obey bonnet too. Obey bonnet too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh yeah, no. TV3 ain't too from. I'm saying yes. Me go as I me comment and say I did make like me pija. I'm just chef from. But yes. New NPP no any way you say you couldn't boot for boot. Who was that? Who is that from almost through? I want you almost through. I'm saying, oh, sir, yes.
Hello. Voice. Man, oh, okay. Oh, you're very good.
I come out to that yet. Munim dieba. He said, the end jamu. He said, I couldn't do that. He said, no call low because money and some we low. It's a number called that low power. We're going as low. It's TV3 and the M the pie. Join news that I'm a butter and some of the bottle baby cry.
Mr. Mencha, imagine on some year and we're discussing Matthew BBO, Nikita, now who make a good, solid submission. And I believe, say, and Pennyphone UTR, this is the time, as I say, almost stand the firm. Now, making sure, say, almost steer party into the right direction for victory. Now, my memfa a year TV3 for a non-starting media and we are about Dr. Baumi Adiana. So, you know, I like what is happening after we lost. This loss we lost no was for a reason, and I believe the reason was to actually get rid of the bad weeds. In the Ababon in a basis, Munoquaya, Befaswa. One kasa domino effect back home no more free. Na yet they want ya one agent that one na kuma mudawa one more tea or snuku kuku a year tradition na say at their building na yet to me winning power. Now the TV3 guy Johnny Hughes was talking about say yes ya boycott it. However, no omodo Mike Maya ne kasa. First and foremost, that right there shows you say not Johnny and Yejuma. Me pacho Peace FM for NDC for car say my boycott no. What is say NDC for a press conference ma Peace FM for kusi order. Debbie, because once you say you have boycotted that particular thing, they can go on the other one, but Peace FM they said no. It's once you have said that sanity. Now, who as a journalist, me a party. Wo journalist may hear me program or be fast here. Now wo mo fa ko camera etuaka efa crewmen the ba me function ase. Na o de mic chairman no na me kasa. Is that something for you to go and say I'm the one begging? You are the one that need news. When we hear news o person wo nya de enkofo mo hwe wo no lose side viewership into news. And that is why I commend the first vice chair for what he did today. Say utumi chire say no de bia meka one in medium nim. But a voice one thing I noticed about NDC and they say woman yankrophobia so ka say sebio we aboa na ka say oh so then na ka say next time no be ka say we aboa kwasea or the menu be so the next day the next. But saying this Nika so ya boo and also catch us a boo say MP before the sign come on to say and because of that they use that to gag us. Which you saw the gag us and it allowed the foolishness of that type of play to take us down. Because baby and SS and yes so you come out swinging because yeah Christo soon the other. It's almost the violent ticketed by force. And sometimes na say we dey any odin here then eye wo nia maybe untumi nka say we dey we are crutch for part ntimo dey say na mo kasa da bi in every organization there must be firebrands. But also what you say, and those firebrands are the ones now. You do baby are the technical men and our brain now. We are the ones now. Say be ye jumadeno. So what you say, near the technical men no a rule. And as a political party and as people of Ghana, we must understand. Say you were 1 year, you know 1 year campaign, machine I did run the campaign, win yaba. And you were 1 year, we cry during the technicality now, you did mind. We must understand those two things. But just what you say. And sometimes, leadership, no more makwine. Who say, a band say, say, video no more. Yeah, your minority leader. Now he wasn't too happy with it. But hey, bro, this time we cannot be diplomatic. I know, say you are in the House of Representatives and you want to be diplomatic. But Honorable Afenyomakin, we cannot be diplomatic when they are bringing that type of thing. But also what you say, a time has come, as they say, you take the bull by its horn and make sure that we are also representing ourselves. The voice can occur. Dancing in TTC social media. How many NDC people do you really see them coming on live? Maybe I got to so they say, baby, I got to tell them about first, voice beba betna, ne counting Tibet train on die, Manuel beba betna, be 4 a.m. normal that so your life now, which as a there's so many people. Now we were trying to do, but we were not there because NDC phone had captured the airwaves. I think, say Banusa TV3, that's what they need to do. So we a media house. Now obey bias in your reportage. I don't expect you to carry any good news about me, so I will not come to you. Yeah, got to Abano. Sorry, lastly for that one. Now joy news for Ewo Nase, the final rally Nase. DSC wo ho ni na no niamapa na ekosumi na omo ntwe bia o omu kotwa obi a NDC ni ono age because ada na NDC for so ye bibi ewo around there na into ono NDC na koje NPP ni shirt ya she and oddd NPP atem, and that is the news. A whole TV station with their crew came to carry to put outside, say this is what is going on. Do you understand? If these people are them, say omobe damu, you shouldn't even invite them around your things. Now, about the report, the voice, I'm of the opinion, say several things in our report, Yeah. Me say Omofa report in the Mrabonting. And I'll give you 2 reasons why in here. Bakome din kakra kan wasem. Yan konko muomu asuko enya de yan penifo bi ebenya 1 or 2 insight about it. Na ebe do time wa ye koto aba na ye yi flag bearer awie no obi de abegina beka che na Michael Kwekura report say na there be. At that time the damage will be too grief. At that time the damage will be too grief. What we can do is to find out what went wrong with our party. But voice, one good thing about Yen say even on TikTok, we have diagnosed most of the problems. And so you didn't find the party structures now Jumano, and not necessarily the campaign of the flag bearer. And that is the good thing I like about this. That's the good thing I like about this. Which we, the supporters of candidates, should not worry about what they will say about the candidates. In any case, should they even raise some argument to say they are not yet in the air? Say are they going to tell me say a ban will say the nipa mienu age na ho na ya magana ni na to you people really think that the women of Ghana will go and vote for this particular candidate? They would not. They will vote against us. You understand? And continue an 8-year term. That is what they want to do. And because that is what they want to do, they want to still project the same nonsense projecting in 2024. No? And we NPP has to be vigilant. Maybe a Carmen Kwan, the voice, a Carmen Kwan. Let us release one thing I'm about again, apart from so be the propaganda and they say report way as much as some try to misinterpret and say anything bad about the flag bearer or whatsoever. No. Majority of it, it will be the party structures that fail. Yeah, 1 year no more MCs. Ah, no one pese or MP. Edi ade omu kuche de kotu one way share the independent candidate all those things valued. The things that was said during the campaign. And near man Crawford can the far one party who during the campaign. All of those things are recorded. Intimamo my young men one-sided said the war reports no man say Omo Bekasa Dr. Baumi. Let me tell you, and I'm saying this emphatically. Bemi, there is nobody going to lead NPP 2028. But His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Asemo amaka ibwende date na factory ho. Hwe Nyankopon wo ho. Wa moyen nkwasiafo sebe. Ena NPP mpanifo no sebio fachem yo wo munyimi yo. Utie dia making. Wo mani da ho. Utie wonani da ho. Wo munim de oya na montenten ena wo munim de oye nyansani ayedi ni buman. Esme benyansafo yansuma na montenten. Wona wo setenten pa na eno nya wa fe no.
Yeah.
Obia with a degree. You can be a fine gentleman. You can be a wonderful philanthropist. But say ban say yemfa or mind to any yimbua. One shana when ya hunyama the bed. Would debate with you because who needs you know. And then Mumwaga's most submissions are mokaye. And Kofa can junior doctor the bar at the babuan anado. Yaman anado it me do baby on wide on wedding. It's messy. Mama yenye amila resolute. There is nobody coming. Hey, yes, we will open the democratic process, but I know the party still was one to abano. One to aba papa you nipa ye nim say ya marketing dada. Onipa ye nim say no ankasa so abon ho modin aton